The Great Kapok Tree by Owen DS. Chapter 1. The Tree Cutter. One day there was this one man who came into the forest, and he spotted the great kapok tree, and he wanted to cut it down so he could sell it for a lot of money. But he started to chop it down, and then after a few hits, he started to get tired. So he sat down and rested. Chapter 2. The Animal's Point of View. The boa constrictor slithered down the tree, and he told the man, "Please do not cut down this tree. This is my home. I need to live here. If you cut it down, there's no place for me to live." The monkeys came down from the tree and told the man, "Please do not cut down this tree. This is home to all of my ancestors. And if you cut down this tree, we'll have to build a whole nother house. And it's really hard. So please do not cut down this tree." Next, the birds came down and told the man in the ear, "Please do not cut down this tree. This is a home to many, many animals. If you cut this down, there will be no more life at this tree." And then the tree frogs came down and said, "Senor, please do not cut down this tree. This is my home and home to many others of my families and friends. Please do not cut down this tree, or else we will be homeless for the rest of our lives, and we won't be able to find another home." Next, the jaguar came down and said, "Senor, please do not cut down this kapok tree. This is home for many animals, and if you cut it down, there will be no place for me to find my breakfast, lunch, and dinner." The tree porcupines came down from the tree and said, "Senor, please do not cut down this tree. If you do, then you'll come back for another and another. And you will run low on oxygen, and you'll destroy the forest. Please do not cut down this tree." Next, several anteaters came down from the tree and told the man, "Please do not cut down this tree. You will destroy the beautiful tree, and what harm did this tree ever do to you?" Next, the sloths came down and said, "Senor, please do not cut down this tree. If you cut down this tree, what will you feast your eyes on? It will destroy the forest, and you will have nothing to look at. The forest is a much more beautiful place if you imagine it. Just please do not cut down this tree." Then the man woke up and then saw all of the animals there and realized what they told him. He thought it through and he realized, maybe I shouldn't cut down this tree. These animals gave me all these good facts, so that would be hurting their habitat.